Hey, what's going on? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cause your content or videos that you are making on TikTok to appear in front of the audience you are trying to reach or your target genre. Coming up next. Hey, so welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you some things that you can implement right now that will cause the videos you are making to land in front of the right people, to appear before the audience that you are targeting. Although it'd be nice for all of our videos to reach everyone, what can affect us in a negative way is for our photography videos to land in front of people who do dentistry, or for our comedy videos to land in front of people who really want to see cooking videos. Have you ever noticed lately when you open up TikTok, every other week it's constantly still asking you what genre of content do you want to see, whether it's comedy, cooking, dancing, music. And the reason being is because TikTok is trying to narrow down exactly what you want to see. This way they can constantly have that appear in your feed. Well, the downside to that is if you are not specific in the niche or content that you're making, your content is just going to go out to whoever if it has the potential of going viral. But then when it lands in front of someone who is not looking or searching for that content, what are they going to do? They are going to quickly get off of that video, which is going to hurt your watch time. So I'm going to go over a couple of things right now that will guarantee your content will be in front of who it's intended for. First and foremost, one thing I want to encourage you to do is to make your content personable. We're going to be going over creating videos on the platform versus uploading content. Although both have the potential to go viral, at some point your followers want to connect with you, and if all you're doing is just uploading content, unless it's like dash cam videos, protests, things that are going around in the world, then they kind of really don't need to know you personally if that's all your channel is about. But if it's you in the video, every single video, this is why we have lives. But at some point you want to make content that's personable for your followers. So obviously, first things first, it's okay to try and find a niche right away, right off the bat when you first start your journey on TikTok. And I recommend you do that. So if you're going to be in a specific thing, then do your research first and find out what is already successful on the platform. What videos are going viral? What videos do you see has a lot of shares, comments, and how many followers the account has? This will kind of give you an idea or an overall outlook on, you know what, is this good for me to be in? Is this a good fit for me? Is this something I really want to do? And then once you decide, hey, this is the type of content I'm gonna make, can you see yourself making this content day after day, month after month, and possibly year after year? Is it something that you will get tired of, or can you not make enough of it and you just have to make another video? Reason why I say that is because people can kind of tell after a while if your heart is in it, or hey, this person was made for this. Once you decide what niche you want to be in or what type of content you want to make, I really suggest that you begin to kind of give people a reason to come back for more. And this would be a good idea to create a part 1, a part 2, or even a part 3, or even at the end of a video that potentially might go viral. If you feel that it has that potential, put on there somewhere like for a part 2 or like for a part 3. Have your ideas for videos that you're going to make today written down or in your phone the day before. There's nothing like getting ready to make a TikTok or create one on the platform and you're like, okay, man, what am I gonna do? What videos can I crank out today? You know, that's why it's always good to have them ahead of time. And one of the things that I do to make sure that I can potentially have videos to make all the time is while I'm scrolling on TikTok, I see videos that I can make. And yes, they might be funny to me, but if they're not funny, but I see that I can do a video like that, I'll go ahead and give it a like. That way, when I get ready to make a video, all I have to do is go through my previously viewed videos, and the ones that I've hearted, I can kind of differentiate the ones that I actually just laughed at or the ones that I clicked like on it because I want to recreate that video and put my own spin on it. Aside from picking a niche, I will say though, it's okay to do a variety of different things just to see which one takes off. I don't want to deviate too much from this video, but if you listen to this part right here, there's a site called Fiverr. I don't want to deviate from this video too much, but if you listen to this right here, this can really help you out. There's a site called Fiverr, Fiverr.com, and when I first signed up, I was just doing voiceovers for people's businesses, and I was doing so many voiceovers that I thought that was what I was going to be doing and making a lot of money. One day the voiceovers just stopped coming in, and I really didn't know what to do, but I got an email and someone said, hey, could you dress up and be in a video in a suit and a tie and maybe put a green screen in the back and also do a voiceover to this script that I'll send you, and I'll pay you X amount of dollars. And I did that, and once I did that, those orders never stopped coming in because they were spreading what I did through word of mouth. And I stopped doing voiceovers because now I'm not just doing voiceovers, but people are booking me for my attire, the way I present myself, green screen in the background, and voiceovers. So I'm getting way more money. And so I encourage you, it's okay to try a few different things. This way you can see what really works best for you and what can you benefit the most from, rather than just trying to do that one thing, kind of like me, which I was originally doing. So hope that helps and give you some insight on what you can do on this platform rather than just trying one thing. Maybe you're trying to do the trends and you're trying to dance and be in the video and you're like, man, this is not going anywhere, but you're a good storyteller or you're good at capturing video of events or things that are going on. So try a few different things rather than right off the bat just trying to pick a niche if you're having a hard time picking one. When you do decide that you're going to narrow down and focus on one particular thing, make sure you are using the current hashtags for that type of content. This way, should it not be on the For You page, it can easily be found or discovered when people are clicking on search. When you record a video on the platform, give it some time because now the algorithm has changed. It's always changing, but lately it's been about 30 minutes before the TikTok algorithm will push out your videos to your followers and possibly the For You page. So just because the first 30 minutes have went by and you do not see any views or likes, it's okay, calm down. It'll be all right. It's taken a moment now where it used to be 15 minutes. I used to do the homework and the math on it, and I would always notice after 15 minutes, I could see the likes, the shares, the comments coming in. So I am going to make a detailed video on whether to upload or create a video on the platform. I can't wait to make that video, but I will tell you this. When you upload videos and that's all you do, it will take a lot longer for it to get picked up by the algorithm because it has to get filtered through TikTok's content filtering to see, you know, what is being uploaded because of so much vulgarity, pornography, other things that it has to get filtered through first. But once there's a consistency on what your type of content is, YouTube has a thing where we can self-filter and do a check mark on our videos, and it makes it a lot faster to where YouTube now doesn't have a person viewing our content. They trust us, and so maybe TikTok will be on that eventually, but for right now, someone is actually previewing the content. So if you are constantly uploading videos, clips from things that you've done, and you're wondering, you know, why is no one viewing it? Why is it taking forever to get picked up? That's why. But stay tuned for that video because I can't wait to make it, because it really does matter whether you are uploading videos, because there's a way to do it. And also, if you're going to use the camera on the platform, there's a way to do that as well. And both can take off, but you got to know how to do it and be successful at it. Hey guys, comment below, let me know, are you already making series part 1, 2, 3? Are you giving people a reason to come back to your videos? Have you already chosen a niche for your content on TikTok? Do you know what type of field you want to be in or genre you want to be in? And hey, you know what? Do you see or recognize that it's now taking a little bit longer for TikTok to push out your videos to your followers? Are your followers contacting you saying that they're not getting notifications that you even uploaded a video? I want to know, and let me know if you have any questions or concerns about the TikTok Creator Fund. Right now, pretty much everyone is on board with what's going on, but I have got a couple of DMs on Instagram of people that are not allowed to get in the Creator Fund, and now they are trying to get in Creator Next. Do you know what Creator Next is? Let me know, comment below, and hey, until next time, I will see you in the next video.